Dive into a YouTube phenomenon, a channel that rocketed to over 4 million subscribers and 1.5 billion views simply by uploading videos crafted entirely with AI. Even more astonishing, their very first upload was monetized immediately and hauled in more than 30 million views with minimal effort. That was merely the launchpad for exponential momentum. Today, one AI-created clip has topped 400 million views, another has eclipsed 200 million, and nearly every release continues to pull in millions of eyeballs effortlessly. In this deep dive, I'll show you how to reverse engineer their viral YouTube formula. I'll walk you step by step through their exact blueprint so you can carve out your own niche and potentially rake in thousands of dollars during your first month. Think YouTube Shorts can't pay? Think again. Just 3 years ago, Shorts RPM hovered at 2 cents. That was dismal. Fast forward to 2025, and YouTube has vaulted that RPM up to 60 cents, a sea change. Even at a conservative 30 cents RPM on 1.1 billion views in 1 month, that equates to roughly $300,000 in pure AI-generated revenue. Mind-blowing, right? And because cranking out these AI-powered videos is surprisingly straightforward, anyone armed with the right roadmap can mirror those gains. Even if you achieve a fraction of their output, that still translates to $10,000 plus per month. Here's the kicker, I'll unpack their entire strategy from start to finish. To streamline, I've divided it into 2 parts. First, how to whip up videos in minutes with a secret AI tool. Second, how to outclass the competition using only free AI resources. Part 1. Building a magnetic, monetizable channel. We'll kick off with channel creation. Think of it as laying the foundation for a skyscraper. I'll show you precisely how to forge a standout brand identity that commands attention. Grab your notebook and watch closely. Open ChatGPT, prompt it for animal adventure channel name ideas that blend intrigue with SEO-friendly keywords, then hit generate. In seconds, you'll have a curated list of catchy, AI-optimized names. Next, ask ChatGPT to draft an SEO-rich channel description loaded with terms like viral growth, AI content creation, and YouTube strategy. Pick your favorite name, paste it into that prompt, and boom, you'll get a fully optimized channel bio. With the name and description locked, let's create a killer logo. Stay in the same ChatGPT thread and ask for a logo image prompt tailored to your animal adventure theme. And watch as ChatGPT conjures up the perfect image instructions for your brand identity. Now, head into Leonardo Ari's text-to-image suite. Select Leonardo Phoenix as your model, set dimensions to 1:1 for a true logo format, paste in your new prompt, and click Generate. In about 10 to 20 seconds, you'll see a gallery of logo concepts that echo your channel spirit. Pick the design that jumps out at you, hit download, and voila, you've got a professional logo. Next up, create your YouTube channel, upload that new logo, paste your chosen name and handle, and insert the SEO-optimized description. This trifecta of branding ensures your channel will stand out in search and thumbnail grids. Part 2. Ideation and scripting. Now that your channel is primed, let's fill it with scroll-stopping content. First, study a top competitor in the same niche, open their most popular shorts, copy the titles of the first few viral hits, and paste them back into ChatGPT. Ask it to extract only the titles and hit Generate. Instantly, you'll have a clean list of proven viral video ideas you can adapt for your own AI productions. But originality wins the algorithm's heart, so in the same ChatGPT session, prompt for a fresh batch of highly viral concepts inspired by those titles. Click Generate, and you'll have new ideas built to captivate. Why stop at concepts? Meet Vexab, the AI engine that transforms simple ideas into full video scripts. Open Vexab, select Create a Video, choose the text-to-video feature, pick vertical format for shorts, disable narration, select the Joanna voice, then paste your top idea. Click Generate, and in seconds, Vexab crafts a human-sounding script ready for production. From here, you're just moments away from a share-worthy short. Feed that script back into Vexab, choose Realistic V2 image style, hit Start Generation, and let AI handle the visuals, editing, and thumbnail creation. In about 5 minutes, you'll have a fully edited video. When you're set, hit the download option to retrieve your video file. Now, reveal your creation.
How do you say goodbye to your best friend forever? Rabbit stood in the meadow, heart pounding, eyes filled with tears. His dear friend, the one who made every day brighter, was gone. The vibrant laughter they shared now echoed in silence.
Although this snippet is a teaser for the full episode, its cinematic tension is undeniable. Now, without delay, let's jump over to the next phase of our YouTube strategy. Over to YouTube and publish. To begin, launch YouTube Studio and import your freshly minted clip. Once upload completes, you'll spot an empty title field. Don't fret, Vexub has already crafted an SEO-rich heading for you. Jump back into Vexub, copy that headline, then revisit YouTube and paste it into the title box. But hold on, we still need tags, critical metadata that signals the algorithm to boost our ARIA-driven video. Stay with me, because next I'll reveal a foolproof technique to source high-impact tags in seconds, efficiently, seamlessly, now. Demonstrate a bulletproof formula for snagging tags that drive algorithmic visibility. Start by opening a high-traffic channel, like this one, then identify a video with substantial view counts. Scroll to its metadata area, you'll spot a series of influencer-tested tags beside the headline. Copy these exact keywords, return to your YouTube upload screen, and paste them into the tags field. That's the entire tag acquisition hack, efficient, proven, and lightning fast, quickly and easily. After you've completed this step, your upload is nearly ready. But before you finalize, ensure you mark the video as the not made for kids so it aligns with platform policy. Navigate away from the made for kids setting, then unlock visibility, flip your video to public in the visibility tab. Finally, hit publish. Congratulations, you've unleashed your debut YouTube short primed for viral growth using AI strategy.